Welcome to the Ultimate React course. In this course, you will learn everything you need to know about React, from the basics to more advanced concepts. So by the end of the course, you'll be able to confidently build fast and scalable apps with React. If you're looking for a comprehensive, easy to follow, well-organized, and practical course that takes you from zero to hero, this is the right React course for you. You won't need any prior knowledge of React to get started. Everything you need to know is right here, so you won't need to jump back and forth between random tutorials. Now, unlike other courses, we won't be building a dummy app. Instead, we'll be building and deploying a beautiful production-grade app for discovering video games. This app has all the features and UI patterns you would expect from a modern application. We can toggle between the dark and light modes. We can search for games, filter them by genre as well as platform. Now, as we change filters, the page title gets updated dynamically. We can also sort games. And here we see loading skeletons while games are being fetched from the backend. So if you follow along, you will master React and will be able to build front-end apps with confidence. I'm Mosh Hamedani. I'm a software engineer with over 20 years of experience, and I've taught millions of people how to code and become professional software engineers through my YouTube channel and online school, codewithmosh.com. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe as I upload new videos all the time. So if you're ready to master React and build front-end apps with confidence, let's jump in and get started.